Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. You open GMGN AI and you see something called an AI score or alpha signal. Here's the alpha signal. But what does it actually mean? In this video, I'll break it down in the simplest way possible so you can understand it even if you are a complete beginner. But before starting the video, if you haven't joined GMGN AI, you can use our referral code, which is IgGGTrth, which is also being displayed on the screen, or you can also check for the referral link, which is available into the description of the video, so that you can save big transaction gas fees forever and it's easy to use. Okay, so what is AI score in GMGN AI? The AI score is a number that helps you quickly understand how strong a token looks based on different data points. Think of it like a rating system. Higher score means stronger signals and lower score means weaker signal. Okay, so what does the alpha signal mean? The alpha signal is basically a highlight or alert from the system. Okay, it points out a token that are showing early activity or unusual patterns. It doesn't guarantee success. It just tells you, hey, this one might be worth looking at. Okay, so what factors affect the score? Okay, the AI score is usually based on multiple things like trading volume, liquidity, number of holders, wallet activity, and buying and selling pressure. All of the data is combined to give one simple score, and you can see the scores of these different coins here. You can check for this is the AI score. This one is also an AI score. Okay, so these are the AI score which is being mentioned here. Okay, so how to read the score? Here's a simple way to understand. High score means strong activity and interest. Medium score is like moderate activity, and low score means weak or early stage activity. But remember, high score does not mean guaranteed profit. Okay, so step one, don't rely only on the score, and here's step two, check the token details after seeing a good score. Okay, check liquidity, holder distribution, recent transaction. Okay, this helps confirm whether the signal makes sense or not. Okay, let me show you. This is the score here, and as you can see, these are the transaction sums, and signal triggered 101 5 times. Okay, so why the trend is the score going up over the time? That can something show increasing interest. Okay, so GMGN's AI is a powerful tool, but only if you understand how to use it properly. If you want more simple tutorials like this, subscribe and I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.